As a book blogger, I often get asked, how do I start reading? Or something like, I used to be a reader, now I don't get time. How do I rekindle my love for reading? And my only answer to all of them is start small, read every day, and if you cannot make space or time for physical copies or ebook, try to listen to audiobooks. Audiobooks have been my constant companion while shopping, cleaning, doing household chores. I am always listening to audiobooks. I always have someone reading out stories to me, and that's the best feeling ever. In fact, listening to audiobooks enhances your content consumption experience twofold. And Storytel always has my back. Storytel offers plethora of audiobooks, in fact lakhs of them, and you can choose the ones that you like, add them to your audiobook shelf, download it and listen to it offline at your convenience. Really, it's that simple. That simple. So, if you want a constant companion just like me who can tell you some amazing stories, then download Storytel app right away. And if you've already done that, then let's find out the short stories you can pick up to rekindle your love for books and stories. We Meet Again by Ira Tak, a heartwarming story that gets done in just about 14 minutes. In our lives, most of the times, many things remain unsaid. But these unsaid feelings come back to bite us. That's exactly what happens with Pallav and Pallavi. Destiny has them meet again, but the question is, will the unsaid remain unsaid yet again? First Sex by Amol Raikar. It is yet another short story that is only 14 minutes long. It is about the first time we all are ever curious about. The first time we have sex. Parents are away for a weekend, so she calls him over. Everything is set. The room is decorated, there are flowers, candles, pretty dress. But the question is, will everything go as per plan? Quirky much? Dive into this one right away to find out. The Little Duck by Anita Nair. Actor Prakash Raj narrates this state of nation story penned by Anita Nair. Talking about the Citizenship Amendment Act, the story is woven around a little duck girl. The book is bold and assertive, and it is unflinching as it explores the idea of who we are as people in only about 55 minutes. Love in Pink City by Kush Vaishnav. Kush Vaishnav makes you fall in love with this short story. The story explores the beautiful Pink City, Jaipur, the hues of friendship and love alongside. Shailaja bumps into Sam at her cousin's wedding. They come close to each other while exploring the Pink City. And before Shailaja is about to leave for Bangalore, unthinkable happens. An incident that is going to change their lives forever. Love Bites by Ravindra Singh and Richa Mukherjee. India's most loved authors come together to deliver this beautiful and enchanting tale that is set during lockdown. There is no internet connection, so Meera keeps herself busy by cooking for her family. Kevin is her NRI neighbor who is quarantined. They cannot communicate, but they connect when Meera starts sending out baskets of food, recipes, and messages to Kevin. Misunderstanding by Anuj Tiwari, India's yet another best-selling author, delivers this short, sweet listen that is only about 56 minutes long. This short story is inspired by real-life incidences. Author Madhav bumps into his ex Nukti and life begins to rewind itself. And the question remains, are 3 years really enough to forget someone? Listen to this one to find out all about it. When We Grow Up by Nikita Singh. It is yet another story that is set during lockdown and is penned by India's popular author Nikita Singh. Vivek and Tanu are forced to take shelter together during lockdown. And while they are grappling with this reality, Vivek is hit with yet another devastating news, which is he has been fired from this job. And Tanu had to deliver this news to him. What follows is a story of Vivek and Tanu over the course of 6 months since the unfortunate incident. Now, those were only 7 short stories that we recommended, but there are many more stories, many more heartwarming stories waiting to be explored. A story that will suit your palate, a story that will leave you satiated. So we hope that you pick one of these books or all of them and start listening right away. To access these short stories, please check the link that is flashing on your screen right now. So that's it from me, Siddhi, your book cobbler. I will be back with more bookish videos. Till then, stay safe and happy listening.